Good morning. Well, I'm here at Swan Pool Beach, which is west of Falmouth. It's a beautiful spot, but way too many bikinis for my liking, so I'm heading up the coastal path to find a non-textile beach. Hope you can join me. So, I've just had a great cup of coffee at the beach cafe at Swan Pool Beach, and that's where I've also parked my motorbike. Plenty of parking, although rather expensive. And I'm now walking on the southwest coastal path towards Mayerporth. But before I get there, I'm going to find a little path which will take me down to the nudist beach. A fabulous view here. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. There's a little bit of sea mist, but absolutely gorgeous. I think that's Mayerporth up on the hill there. Oh, just can't wait to get the girls out. So I've walked for about 800 metres from the car park and I've come across this little path here which I think and I hope takes me down to the beach. Let's give it a go. It's quite slippy and the girls are getting rather excited. One thing I've noticed about the nudist beaches in England is that they're really tucked away down really difficult paths to get to. In Australia, you just go to the car park and get your kid off. Mind you, there is only about 2 nudist beaches in the whole of WA. Here, they seem to be around every corner. Oh, good job I'm not wearing undies. I've just found another Commando course. I'm going down. Might have to go down backwards. Yikes. Or sideways. Oh! This nudist beach lark is quite dangerous. Okay, so Sunny Cove is also known as Arthur's Beach. Arthur's Beach? Close optional. There is no option. Okay, come on girls, let's go. Whew. Slippery when wet. Better put the boobs away for a second for YouTubers. So here I am at Arthur's or Sunny Cove. Looks pretty rocky here, so I'm going to find a little spot where there's a bit more sand or pebbles. There's also a few people arriving, so I've got to be a little bit careful where I film. See if I can find a good spot. For those of you watching on YouTube, this is where I stop. But if you want to know what's under the pink nails, come and find me on Fanview. Oh, I just banged my head on a big bit of wood. Oh my god, I think I've come a different way off the beach to the one that I came down on. Apparently it's easier, but so far it doesn't seem to be. Alright, here we go again. I've got to get up. Commando course. Here we come. Oh! Okay. Oh dear. I've dropped the ball. Okay. Whoever set these ropes up was a true hero, so I don't think I'd get up otherwise. Great idea. Oh, I made it. Ooh. That path is a bit of a knee trembler. Anyway, back on the main path now. Time for a coffee. Well, that was a great time at the nudist beach, but I've had a hot and very salty and sticky ride all the way back to my accommodation. So, time for a rinse off. There's an outdoor shower here. How cool is that? Excuse me a second.